What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to do some review on some of the stocks. This is the weekend analysis. As you can see, I wanted to post GameStop first because I posted on my channel under the community. You can see that I'm bag holding at $33.39. So we're going to start with this video because I didn't follow a stop loss, so we're holding this, and I made good money off of them. I made like 12 to 1500 off of them in 1 week, and then I decided to hold like a fool. And this is where we're at, and we're going to make this red just so we can easily see it. And this is the zone that GameStop is trading in. So I bought the top. When you zoom out to the 1 year chart, it's trading anywhere from $24 up to $33. It is trading within this zone, as you can see, and right there is resistance at that level as well. So where I bought is a good place to take profits if you were buying lower. That is definitely something to consider when you're purchasing and you're trying to swing trade this, is looking for spots that it might have resistance. So it's clearly we're having resistance in this level right here at $32. So now, where do we go from here? When I look at GameStop on the last month, I can see that we are technically making support off of this zone here, which is around $24. We bounced again right in this area at $24, $24. And now this was a higher high, a higher low, I should say, around $25, $26. And now we're hovering the 28 range. But it doesn't mean anything in terms of being bullish and blasting up here if we can't get above 33. So let's see if GameStop this week can get above $33 and hold this level. It's got to get here, and then it has to do its thing, where it's going to, this, and then it has to bounce back up to make that move up to $40, which is another 15 to 17% move. That's going to be very difficult. We'll see if it is possible, but that's what we're looking at with GameStop. So if you're trading it, look for dips, $25, cut your loss, $24, $23 and below. Next, let's look at Tesla. You had that big news of Elon Musk passing his bill for $56 billion, went up from 167 up to 191. This is, buy the news, buy the rumor, sell the news here. So it went up 15%, and now it just sold off from 191 all the way down to 177. That's a 7% pullback. If you're looking to get in this, when I look at Tesla and you are looking for swing trades, I think you got to make your base around 174. Let's see if we can get some resistance coming down, because if you look here, there's clear support in this area. This is where it's been kind of hovering, and I'm going to put this in yellow just for you guys to tag along. As you can see here, there's been plenty of times where Tesla has been able to use this 173 to 175 range, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, bounce there, bounce there, bounced here, broke, and quickly bounced and recovered, and now it's about to retest that zone in the area, as you can see right here. Now let me just draw it in a rectangle so you guys can tag along, but this is where you're looking for your re-entry. Definitely follow your stop loss, but this is where I'm going to be looking to make a purchase. I want to see it pull into this zone. And if it could pull into this demand zone right there, boom, back 2%, that's where I'm going to look to make my entry. And I'm going to follow my stop under 170. So that's my game plan for Tesla. Keep that in mind. If it holds this level at 177 and starts to move up, it's got to hold above 180. If it holds above 180, then I think we can go back to retest the 191. It's going to want to retest this level. Let's just see where it goes. The next I wanted to review is QQQ. Keep in mind, when you're buying QQQ, this is the overall NASDAQ 100, it is making higher highs. So just because it's making higher highs doesn't mean you can short it with SQQQ. It's not showing any signs of weakness. So when you look all the way from the beginning, this is year to date, 394 all the way up to 479, it is up 21, 22% already. On the bottom left screen, you can see the percentage. It is up 21% on the year. Best case scenario, if you didn't buy into QQQ at these levels, you can dollar cost average but I wouldn't be buying this right now. I would just wait and be patient. Let's see if we get a retest of the $500, and maybe so it'll make the new high to 500 and then maybe pull back because the psychological level of 500. That's what I could see. 490 to 500. I think we're going there next week. Sqqq, I would just be very careful. It's making new lows. This is the 1-year chart on it. It looks terrible. It just sold off, decays over time. This is what happens if you hold these inverse triple leverage ETFs that do decay over time, and QQQ goes on a massive bull run. So just be very careful if you're bag holding this, you're trying to time it, just have stop losses, but you got to follow QQQ if you're going to be doing that. What I've been watching is McDonald's again. We made a video on this in the past where I bought at 250, sold it back up at 260. That was in this month. You can see it right here. We bought in this range, sold off 247, and then went back up 260. That was nice 10 points we made. We called that out, refer to the videos that I made on McDonald's earlier. But now we're getting a retest. But if right now, currently, as long as it doesn't break 247, it's making a higher low. And that's what we are looking for with the channel. So as you can see here, there's the higher low. And here is the first low that we had. So if McDonald's can hold this 247, not break through it, I could see reason why you would go bullish on McDonald's and try to make a move back up to retest this level here at around 266, which you can see right there. And the reason I am marking out that level is because we'll put it in yellow. Right here is your areas of resistance. As you can see here, look at that. Boom, you have support, 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 and then it broke, and then your support turned into resistance. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Up to 2148 subscribers. Really appreciate that. And my members, thank you guys so much. I got 2 so far that are supporting the channel. Appreciate you guys. And here's my latest comments. Definitely check out my playlist if you're interested. There's a lot to offer here. Different things on my trading P&L 2024, so you can tag along for that. That's transparent. And then you have the Fidelity Index Funds and ETFs. I got the Fidelity taxable portfolio, the present that we're showing since 2022, where I basically been buying $250 worth of FSPGX every week, every Monday, and it's really grown over time. Vanguard investments, investing ideas in the current markets, which is where this video will go. And different long-term investments and the Fidelity Active Trader Pro platform that I use, as well as the trading strategies that I use that have been working for me. I'm not a professional trader. I don't pretend to be. This is entertainment only, but I like to be transparent with my trading because I love it. So definitely leave a comment, share it, and like the video if you feel like you learned something of value.